here we have the VenEx website. You can go into the login page here. And so here's the sign up page. So what we have to do here is that one just needs to put in their email ID, their work email ID, because it is about performance. Then select a role. This is extremely important because it's really based on this that the entire analysis is customized for you. I, of course, put in the company's name here. There we go. There are terms of use and privacy policy, and that's where we sign up. And now sort of logging in back here. So the first step that happens is that one needs to connect to a preferred platform to analyze the information. So that's what I'm going to be doing. So I will be connecting, say I connect Gmail here. So here are certain permissions we need to grant. Folks, once the Gmail has been connected successfully, what user you would need to come in here is to select the platform, to select a month, and then generate the performance insights using this particular wand here. And what we see for the month of March for me is that in terms of the key milestone, I led the VenEx AI development and secured key partnerships and focused on strategic leadership. So that's what I'm focusing on in terms of the month. It's been well. I've exceeded expectations with a score of 84. What you will see here is also skills radar, which is specific to my role. So as a CEO, I'm expected to demonstrate these 5 key skills. First one is financial acumen, for which I've got a 75 score. Stakeholder management, for which I have got a 90 score, sort of managing external, internal teams and stakeholders. Communication and influence has been 88, so a strong one there. Strategic vision and leadership, it scored me as 85, so good there. And problem solving and decision making as 80. What it also gives me is sort of a performance score trend. Fortunately, I've been more or less trending between, probably 72 to about, in the good month, 85, 86. So it's also given me how I'm trending over a course of time. I will show to you a couple of reports going back in time to demonstrate the different flavors across months. So that's what this is. And it also gives me a qualitative performance summary. It said that I have demonstrated strong leadership and strategic thinking. Said that my approach is towards problem solving is proactive. And I also have an ability to manage multiple projects simultaneously, such as the development of VenEx AI and also engaging with potential partners, and that I collaborate well, effective at communication, and I foster a culture of teamwork that aligns with business objectives. So those are good overall assessments. In terms of recommendation, it's asked me to participate in advanced leadership training so that I can refine my strategic decision-making, look for mentors in the industry as veterans, engage in workshops focused on AI advancements. That is definitely something I need to work on as somebody building AI business with not, AI is new for all of us, so a lot of stuff happening there. So it's just kind of asking me to do that. In terms of in terms of highlights, that's pretty interesting because it talks about very specific information like initiative partnerships with key stakeholders, including IMOCA, to enhance product offerings, which is exactly what we're working with them for. It also mentions that I received positive feedback from David Mann, who is somebody we've been engaging with for US, highlighting her effective communication and strategic insights during interactions. He's mentioned that we've been very creatively solving big problems in this space, so I think that's an acknowledgement for that. And organize and led team meetings to align on product development and marketing strategies, ensuring all team members are informed and engaged. So certain key highlights there in terms of improvement area. It said time management, technical knowledge, which is something which I need to build upon, and delegation. That sometimes it can lead take on too many responsibilities, which could lead to burnout. So those are a few things it's mentioned in terms of core skills, strategic leadership, communication, yet again, project management. So it's spoken about some of that, and growth areas. It suggested network opportunities, so that I can, so that I can engage and learn from industry leaders, and participation in technical workshops like on AI and machine learning. So some of the stuff here, and then I'm able to also put in my self notes here. So these are certain things I've added. So for example, sometimes you may have some threads running on WhatsApp which haven't been captured here. So if in our case, we're trying to close the financials for the company. So all of that interaction is happening over WhatsApp. So I've captured some of that here because it's with the external finance team. Then some feedback that may have come in offline or over a call or a meeting. Some of that what is not been captured automatically is some stuff that you can also put in notes here for. So I've done that, and you can save that. And at any point in time, you can also access any of these reports from the platform. And now just going on to Slack now. So for Slack, similarly, we connect Slack here. It allows us, we give Slack permission or to allow VenEx AI to basically analyze the information. We need to select a channel. So I'm going to be selecting VenEx AI first. And let's see what it has to say. So that one has been connected for me.